How's it going, everyone? Christian here with freelancingHobbyist.com. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Amazon Echo Auto. So when you order it, you actually get two different pieces that come in the mail. So you have this piece, which is all nicely wrapped in a blue box. It is the air vent mount. And then over here, this black box is the device itself. So let's go ahead and get cracking. Let's open this tape up. Here we go. We'll do the air vent mount first. Alright, comes easy pull tab to pull it out. You get the instructions right here, which we can look at later. And then here is the air vent mount. So what it looks to be is clips that spin that are designed to kind of grip onto the air vent. And then it's got some nice plastic covering that will protect all the surfaces for the time being while it's shipped. And then in the device itself, go ahead, rip that tab off, open it up here. Alright, so in the box we have the Echo Auto right here, all wrapped in plastic. And then we have the charger. Looks like it's a 2-port charger, which is nice. 2 USB port. I'm not sure of the so 5 volts, 2 5-volt outputs with 4 amps. I'm not sure if that's 4 amps each or 4 amps total. And then what else we got in here? We have a micro USB cable, and then there's another cable here, which happens to be the audio. So a 3.5 millimeter double male end with some cable clips that are right on them. And then you get the instructions. And that looks to be it. Perfect. Alright, so there you have it. There is the Echo Auto that you buy online. If you are interested in it, I'll be installing it in my car, and we'll be doing a review about it in a little bit. But if you want to jump the gun and beat my review and buy it, there's a link down in the description here that will bring you right to it. So there you have it. There's the Amazon Echo Auto. Let me know in the comments what you think about it.